If you're thinking about starting a software or AI business, let me tell you that besides being quite intelligent, this video is of interest to you. I'm going to talk about 3 ways in which saas no code can make you rich in 2024. It is an undeniable fact that software represents one of the most efficient business models thanks to its high degree of leverage. And you might ask, what is leverage? Basically, it means that you have the opportunity to develop an application once and then sell its subscription repeatedly without incurring significant additional costs. In addition, this model guarantees you recurring income as your customers pay month after month, year after year. So if this is what you want, pay close attention. SaaS, software as a service companies, are typically valued at 5–10% higher than their annual revenue. For example, if your SaaS company generates $10,000 per month, that is $120,000 per year, you could have a business that is valued at $1 million or even more. It is an investment that can become a very valuable asset. Imagine this. You develop a software and get 100 customers who pay you $50 each month. That means you have an asset valued at $1 million. And getting 100 customers is not an unattainable goal, especially considering the growing interest in no-code tools that simplify the software development process. And the fact is that today, you can create software without the need to know how to program. So why are so many people turning to these new no-code tools? Because they offer an unparalleled opportunity to enter one of the most promising businesses of the future. Sure, you will still need to acquire certain skills, but what better skill to learn than one that can open the doors to the business of the future? And that is also perfect for beginners. If you have an idea for a software as a service, you can bring that application to life today without the need for technical skills, thanks to an innovative tool called Bubble. With Bubble, you can use predefined templates to design your software without the need to write a single line of code. It's like Shopify, but instead of creating online stores, Bubble allows you to develop your own software without technical complications. Imagine being able to create fully functional applications like Airbnb, Uber, or delivery applications just by dragging and dropping some settings. Bubble has democratized the software development process, allowing people without technical knowledge to create applications and programs in real time. It is understandable that it may seem a bit overwhelming at first, but today, anyone has the opportunity to enter one of the most promising business models of the future. So, why is there still so much talk about dropshipping, Amazon FBA, or affiliate marketing when software development offers one of the most lucrative opportunities in the business landscape? The main reason is that previously creating software companies was an arduous and expensive process. It could easily cost $10,000 per month, and even with a great idea, it could take years to see tangible results, with no guarantee of success. However, tools like Bubble have completely changed the game, making software development accessible to anyone with an innovative idea and the desire to carry it out. This is why business models like dropshipping or Amazon FBA are so popular on platforms like YouTube. They are considered ideal for beginners and promise quick results. However, this apparent ease of entry hides a competitive reality with few chances of success. Times are changing, and it has never been easier and more accessible for everyone to create software with artificial intelligence as it is today. In addition, the start of this process is faster and cheaper than ever. In other words, if you have an idea for a software, you can implement it in a matter of days. The fascinating thing is that if you want to make adjustments, you simply need to add or remove certain elements. It is ironic to know that many of the promoters of these business models also own software companies. Imagine having an application with all the power of ChatGPT. For those who are not familiar with the term, an API is essentially the bridge that connects one software to another. It's like having a waiter in a restaurant. When you place your order, the waiter, which in this case would be ChatGPT-4 with the API, takes the order and transmits it to the kitchen. The kitchen, in turn, is responsible for preparing your food, which in this context would be the text generated by ChatGPT. This API acts as the link between ChatGPT-4 and your software. For example, if I request, I want you to generate 5 new tweets that are similar to my previous ones and have the potential to go viral. The waiter processes the order, the kitchen prepares it, and then it is served back to the customer. This is precisely what Tweet Hunter does. It analyzes your existing tweets and uses the ChatGPT API to generate new tweets that maintain the same tone and can attract attention like the previous ones. Tweet Hunter has been a real revolution for thousands of Twitter users, helping them to boost the virality and growth of their accounts. With a solid marketing strategy, the company was sold for an 8-figure sum just 18 months after the idea was conceived. So, what is the secret? Simply, identify a market niche with a specific need and then develop a software to solve it, all of which is possible thanks to tools like Bubble. Now, creating software with Bubble is just one of the many ways to generate income in this field. Another strategy is to use Bubble to build your own business software. Stay with me for the next few minutes, because this is crucial to understanding the real opportunity that presents itself today. If you can grasp the concept that I am going to explain to you, I guarantee you success. Many businesses rely on software tools to manage their operations, from customer relationship management, CRM, to customer service and project organization with applications like Trello, SSR, and saas. However, they often face difficulties in synchronizing information between these different applications, which results in communication problems, data loss, project delays, and dissatisfied customers. So instead of having to use Trello first, and then take it to Salesforce, and then have to take it to saas, what you can do is combine these 3 applications into one. And that's what Make.com did. Think of it as a car. Make.com allows you to connect all the important parts into one, creating a single vehicle that allows you to automate time and money. To create the entire car, such as the design, template, shapes, and everything else, you can use Bubble. Make.com is basically a no-code app that integrates any software API into Bubble. And what you can do is create internal saas platforms that solve a specific problem in a company. Basically, you can create a central dashboard where you can see your tasks, leads, sales percentages, marketing campaigns, and customer support. In other words, having these 3 softwares in one and with a more unified display will allow you to visualize these graphs in the way that the company wants. Pie charts, spreadsheets, and then you can activate them every week and send reports automatically, all done in one place. And the best part is that this allows you to create automated workflows. You will receive all notifications in one place, and all your team members will be able to simply use a single software. And there you have it. It's more than simple. You have increased the productivity of this company. And the most important thing is that you did it with only 2 tools that were Make.com and Bubble. So if you are a business owner, these systems will help you scale your business much more. Stay informed and make the best decisions based on data. So the opportunity here is to create an automated systems agency for each type of company. Offer this service to an industry or a specific niche and start selling dashboards or custom CRMs and charge thousands of dollars for that service. Which brings me to the 3rd way to make money with software or SaaS, and that is an advanced AI automation agency. For example, a real estate company uses more than 9 different software tools to operate its business, which means that at that time, everyone in their company uses 9 different Google tabs. One opportunity is to create software that can unify all of these tools into one, saving the company 30% of their time each day, since everything is unified in one place. And once they have this software model fully ready to sell to the market, and it works very well, they will be able to use the same model and sell it B2B to other real estate companies. And since it is a B2B sale, they will be able to charge hundreds of thousands of dollars because they know that they are saving the company 30% of effort and time every day. So dear friend, learn to use no-code tools to build businesses of the future. Everything around us is changing, making software development easier than ever before, and it is likely to become even easier and more accessible to us every year and every decade. If you learn this skill now, you will never have problems making money again. And if your software idea doesn't work or doesn't make it to the top, you will at least have learned a very valuable skill that people will pay you for. And that skill is simply to create software for other businesses. If you want to learn more about no-code, SaaS, and AI, click on the link in the description. And don't forget to like and subscribe to receive all the business opportunities.